Hello everyone, I'm giving testimony for Adil Rishit. He is one of my father's friends. And you can learn more about him on this link. Entry 1735 on shahid.biz. Who is Adil Rishit? So he was an employee of Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Regional Department of Education. So it is the biggest educational institution in Xinjiang. And he was the admin of Shakhtar website. So he was doing this outside of work, just amateur. And later on, the name was changed to Bozkır. He was 50 plus years old, and his wife's name is Munawar, and he had twin daughters. Their names is Dilara and Dilraba, and right now they're in college. He was a resident of Urumqi, and he was originally from Atush, but he had most of his relatives in Bai County of Aksu Prefecture. And this is the picture of his daughters. Right now they're in college. When and why was he detained? He was detained in March 2016. He was taken from his house at night along with his PC, and there was no information about him for a few months. There was nothing. He just disappeared. And later on, he was sentenced to 15 years in prison. Right now, he's in prison in Aksu. The detention was related to Umar Jan Hassan Bozkır's translated post on his website, who was also sentenced to 15 years for inciting ethnic hatred and separatism. So Bozkır is, that person's kind of a book name, right? Author name, and he usually translated posts from articles from Chinese to Uyghur language. And this particular article was considered, so-called sensitive, and a lot of people were detained because of this. For instance, prominent webmasters as Tursunjan Mehmet and Abu Bakr Mukhtar of Misranim website and Ikbar Asad of Bagdash website were also detained due to this post, and they were also sentenced to 15 years. And you can learn more about this on this link. How can you help? Please reach out to Human Rights Organization and demand his release. He's innocent. He hasn't done anything wrong. He was just administrator of the website. And please call Chinese embassies and consulates to demand his release. His Chinese spelling is Adil Rishit. And these are the Chinese consulate numbers. And thanks for your time. We appreciate your help. Right now, millions of Uyghurs are still being detained. So we really need your help. Thank you.